Hi everyone, it's James and I am rollerblading today in Japan. Oh, there's my sweetheart right behind. Recording me. Ah, my feet are killing. Gotta take off these skates. Um, I'm talking about rollerblading today. Okay, my feet were killing me when I first started skating today. That's because I just loosened my laces a bit and then put my feet in and then just tightened them up and then went skating. And after a few minutes, my feet, the bottom part, especially the arch area, was killing me. So, okay, so this is what I did to relieve foot pain. I loosened all the laces in both skates. Okay, and that's the key thing, making sure that everything's nice and loose. Then I slip my foot in. It's very loose. And I tighten just the front area, but I left the middle area kind of loose, but I still had to pull on the laces. And then I tightened the cuff area for ankle support. And I didn't have any pain after that. So do this, tighten that, and then start to loosen the middle part where the arch is. And then as I go up, I want to tighten this area. So this area is nice and loose. The front part is very tight. Oh, I'll make it tighter. Okay. So the middle part is kind of loose. And as I go up to the cuff, past the ankle, it's getting tighter and tighter, like this. And I shouldn't have any more pain. I already tested it out, so I know it works. So that's a tip for you guys who experience foot pain while rollerblading. Oh, much better. Thanks for watching, everyone.